Have you ever had a genius idea for an AI app, only to abandon it because you thought it was too technical, too complicated, or too time-consuming? Well, what if I told you that you can build a working ChatGPT-powered app in the time it takes to finish this video? No coding degree, no complicated setup, no pain. Seriously, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your idea into a real AI app. Fast. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm the guy who helps creators, beginners, entrepreneurs, and absolute non-coders build AI-powered tools that actually make money. And today's video is special, because I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to build ChatGPT apps in 2025, using the exact tools professionals, startups, and solo creators are using right now. It's simple, it's beginner-friendly, and it'll save you months of trial and error. Alright. Let's dive in. Part 1. The myth about building AI apps. Okay, let's start with the biggest myth that stops most people. Building an AI app is complicated. Nope, not anymore. 5 years ago, sure. You needed to know back-end, front-end, deployment, scaling, security, UI frameworks, authentication, basically a whole buffet of pain. But today, ChatGPT does the heavy lifting, and the new AI dev tools handle the rest. Let me show you how simple the process is now. You describe your app idea. ChatGPT writes the code. Tools like Bolt.new, Replit, or Cursor turn that code into a working app. Tools like Vercel, Railway, or Netlify deploy it. And tools like Zapier or Make let you automate everything without touching code. That's it. And this is why people are building apps faster than ever. A teacher built an entire AI grading assistant in one weekend. A fitness coach built a fully automated AI meal planner in one afternoon. A freelancer built a custom ChatGPT app for a client in 2 hours and charged $750. The best part? All of these were built with little to no coding experience. So now let's talk about the tools that make all of this possible. Part 2. Tool number 1, the heart of everything. OpenAI GPT 4.1 and GPT 4.1 Mini. Every great AI app starts with a powerful brain, and in 2025 the best brains you can use are GPT 4.1, super smart, super reliable, perfect for professional apps. GPT 4.1 Mini, cheap, fast, and shockingly good. Great for high-volume apps. Let me show you how simple it is to use them. Imagine you want to build an app called Email Fixer. You paste in a sloppy email. The app rewrites it professionally. Done. Here's all your app needs. One API call, one small config file, one response to the user. And ChatGPT can generate the whole thing for you. You literally say, write me a simple web app that takes text and rewrites it using GPT 4.1. And ChatGPT writes the code. Then Bolt.new or Replit runs it instantly. Boom. You have an AI app. But here's where it gets even better. OpenAI Realtime API. This is the game changer. The Realtime API allows you to build voice agents, AI phone assistants, live customer support bots, real-time translation tools, voice-powered AI tutors, AI companions, virtual receptionists, and more before the Realtime API existed. Building something like this would take months. Now, you can build a real-time voice AI agent in under 30 minutes. And trust me, no other AI company comes close to how easy OpenAI made this. This is why the Realtime API is becoming the foundation of so many new startups. Part 3. Tool number 2. Bolt.new. The fastest way to build ChatGPT apps. If you want something ridiculously fast, this is your tool. Bolt.new is like ChatGPT, but it builds your app for you. You just describe your idea, and Bolt generates the UI, the backend, the logic, the API integration, the full working app, and you can edit everything in the browser. You hit run, and your app comes to life instantly. Let me give you a real example. Say you want an app called Cover Letter Pro. Build me a simple web app where users upload their resume and job description, and it generates a tailored cover letter using GPT 4.1. Bolt.new creates the entire UI, sets up file, upload logic connects to the OpenAI API, generates the cover letter, formats, it adds a download button, and hosts a preview version. Automatically. All in seconds. You don't need to know JavaScript. You don't need to know HTML. You don't need to know back-end logic. Bolt handles all of that. This is one of the biggest shortcuts to building production-level AI apps. It's perfect if you want to launch ideas fast, sell tools online, build SaaS prototypes, create client projects, make internal company tools, test multiple ideas quickly. And here's the truth. Many AI founders launching new apps on Product Hunt are using Bolt.new behind the scenes. It's that good. Part 4, tool number 3, Replit. Build, run, deploy. Replit is like having a coding environment, a cloud server, a hosting platform, a database, and deployment tools, all in one place, and it's perfect for beginners. Replit is like the Google Docs of coding. Everything runs in the browser. Your AI app can be online in minutes. Here's why people love Replit. 1. Instant servers. No setup, no configuration, no install this dependency nightmares. 2. AI coding. Assistant Replit's ghostwriter is like having a coding tutor, whispering the correct code into your ear. 3. Built-in database. Need user accounts? Logging, storing inputs? Done. 4. One click. Deploy your app becomes a live website instantly. So imagine this. You build your ChatGPT-powered app, using Replit, you deploy, you share the link. People worldwide can use it. It's that simple. And even if you have zero coding experience, ChatGPT plus Replit together make it feel effortless. Part 5, tool number 4, Cursor, your AI coding co-pilot. Let me tell you a secret. Most developers I know are quietly switching to Cursor. Why? Because Cursor turns you into a 10x faster builder, even if you're a beginner. It's like VS Code combined with ChatGPT, but on steroids. You can literally highlight a section of code, type, turn this into a login system using Supabase, and Cursor does it correctly with the right structure and updates your entire project. You can also add a clean UI using Tailwind. Integrate GPT 4.1 into this function. Fix this bug. Explain how this code works. Cursor also understands your whole project. It reads every file. It remembers structure. It can redesign your entire app in one command. Imagine being able to code like a senior engineer, without being one. That's Cursor. Part 6, tool number 5, Vercel. Deploy your ChatGPT app in 5 seconds. Once your app is built, you need to deploy it. And Vercel is the easiest way to do that. You connect your GitHub repo, or upload your project, click deploy, and boom, your app is live. Vercel handles hosting, scaling, SSL domains, global caching, edge functions, serverless API routes. And if you use Bolt.new or Next.js, which many AI apps use, Vercel is basically built for you. Deploying used to be the scariest part of app building. Not anymore. Now, deployment is almost too simple. Part 7, tool number 6, Flowise. Build AI agents. Visually. What if you want multi-step workflows, AI agents, custom ChatGPT interfaces, retrieval augmented generation, RAG, document question answering, CRM automations, customer support bots, but you don't want to code? Flowise is your best friend. Flowise lets you build complex AI flows by dragging and dropping blocks. You can build an AI chatbot for your website, a document assistant, a knowledge bot for your company, a sales agent, a research agent, a workflow with multiple GPT calls, a customer support assistant, all visually, no code, no headache. And the best part, you can integrate Flowise with your website or app in minutes. It's perfect for beginners who want something powerful. Part 8, tool number 7, Zapier AI and Make.com. Automate everything. Once your app works, you need automation. You need your app to send data to Google Sheets, email clients, send notifications, update CRM systems, trigger workflows, save responses, process payments, run reports. Zapier and Make.com give you automation superpowers. Zapier AI Actions. This lets your ChatGPT app trigger real-world actions. Add this lead to HubSpot. Send this invoice. Update this spreadsheet. Text this customer. Post this to Slack. Your AI app suddenly becomes a business tool. Make.com. If Zapier is simple automation, Make is complex automation on steroids. Make lets you build advanced workflows like multi-step business processes, CRM, sync file, transformation, automated document creation, multi-platform data routing, AI-powered pipelines. Once you try Make, you understand why so many automation creators love it. This is how you turn a simple ChatGPT app into a real business backend. Part 9. Real example. Let's build a full ChatGPT app, step by step. Now let's bring everything together with a simple example. Let's say your idea is AI Habit Coach, a tool where users describe their goals, and the app creates a personalized 7-day habit plan. Here's how you build it fast. Step 1. Use ChatGPT, GPT 4.1 to generate the logic. You say, create a habit-building AI agent, input, user goal. Output, a detailed 7-day habit program. ChatGPT generates the entire workflow. Done. Step 2. Build the app with Bolt.new. You say, build a clean, simple web app with one text box and a button. When users click generate, call GPT 4.1 and display a 7-day plan. Bolt.new generates. UI backend API, calls styling error handling loading screen done. Step 3. Deploy on Vercel. Click deploy. Your app is live. Done. Step 4. Add automation with Zapier. You connect your app so every new plan is saved to Google Sheets, emailed to the user, sent to your CRM. Done. Step 5. Add agents with Flowise. Optional. You create an AI coach agent that answers follow-up questions, adjusts the plan, gives motivation, tracks progress. Done. And just like that, you built a complete AI app in under a day, with beginner tools, no coding degree, no stress. This is how fast things are moving. Part 10. Why these tools work so well together. Because each tool solves a different piece of the puzzle. ChatGPT, the brain. Bolt.new, instant UI plus backend cursor, write and fix code. Replit, run everything. Vercel, deploy and host. Flowise, create agents. Zapier, make, automate business logic. When combined, they give you the fastest pipeline for building AI apps in 2025. This is exactly how people are launching new tools in days and turning them into full-time income. Part 11. The new reality. Anyone can build ChatGPT apps. This is the part that always blows people away. You don't need to be a programmer to know AI math, to understand complex architecture, to spend months learning code. You just need the right tools. And a good idea. That's it. The new world of AI is all about speed. The people who win aren't the ones who know everything. It's the people who can build quickly, launch quickly, test quickly, learn quickly, and with the tools we covered, you can build AI apps faster than ever before. Part 12. The most important advice. Do not wait for the perfect idea. Start with a simple idea. Build it fast. Launch it. See what people say. Improve it. Ship version 2. Ship version 3. Speed is everything now, and the tools I showed you remove every barrier that used to exist. This is your chance to build something amazing. If you want to start building ChatGPT apps fast, I've put all the tools we talked about in the description below, plus a free AI starter toolkit you can download right now. Go check them out. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you love videos about AI tools and making your ideas come to life, and let me know in the comments, what kind of AI app are you planning to build next? Thanks so much for watching. You're now officially ahead of 99% of people who are still thinking about building AI apps instead of actually doing it. You have the tools, you have the knowledge, you can start today. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you how to turn your AI app into a real income stream. Stay creative, stay curious, and go build something amazing.